Yo, what's going on guys? Kryptonic here, and basically I'm going to be doing a setup tour because in this time everyone is at home doing absolutely nothing, and you know, I cleaned up my setup and I did a few little things that I think are going to make my setup look really nice, and overall it all came together really well, and I just kind of wanted to show it off because I haven't done a setup tour since like 2017. It's been a really long time, so I'm kind of excited. I have everything in the way that I like it, so that's really good. So if you guys do end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on it. But anyways, let's get straight into my setup. So what you guys see in front of you is what you guys get. There is a lot of RGB. My PC is right next to me. I've got an RGB mat, RGB keyboard, RGB mouse. And now taking a closer look at my beautiful PC, it has a lot of RGB inside of it, outside of it, and it is just a beast that I've had for a long time and I hope continues working forever. And now swapping over to my headphones, my Audio-Technica headphones are some of my favorite pair of headphones. I've had these for about 2 years and they are a really solid pair for only $50. I would highly recommend you guys all check them out because they come with a studio converter for an amp, which is really cool. The cable is extremely long. They're an extremely comfortable pair of headphones, and for $50 you can't go wrong. And of course, if you guys kind of saw it in the distance, my mouse, this is the Logitech G703. It's a wireless mouse that I have connected to my Logitech keyboard, so the connection is always really great. I mostly turn off the RGB, but for this video I decided to turn it back on, and that just saves a lot of battery life since obviously it's a wireless mouse. And now of course my keyboard, the Logitech G513, one of my favorite keyboards. It's a really soft to the touch keyboard. It performs really well, and it was only around $100, and it's a very sleek looking keyboard. For around $100 you can only expect quality, and honestly that's all I got with this Logitech keyboard. It's really good, it's really quiet, and it performs overall really well. One of my newest additions to my setup is this boom arm, and this is the TONOR boom arm. I'm going to leave a link to everything that I'm showing you guys down below, and this boom arm is incredible because it basically replaced my $10 boom arm that always broke on me. Anyways guys, I'll leave you guys with this clip of me just playing Overwatch and basically showing you guys my setup. I really like the way the RGB basically shines on everything, and since I have white walls, it makes everything just that much nicer. Let me know down below what you guys thought about my setup. I honestly am really satisfied with it, so let me know what you thought of it. And anyways guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace guys.